Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing ClientVenue, a tool that claims to enhance clients' experience using a security management platform. ClientVenue is a customizable client management portal that lets you automate service booking, project requests, collaborative work, and payment process on one interface. So it's a client portal. If you don't have a client portal or you're gonna change your client portal, you can try ClientVenue to see if it fits your needs. So you can compare it with Plutio, and here they say that ClientVenue is an alternative to Hello Bonsai, Dupsado, and many requests. Let's see how the deal works. You can buy up to 8 codes, so you don't have here the tier plan, but the code plan. The difference here is the number of team members. So you're gonna get their enterprise plan, and for each code you get 10 team members, but if you buy 8 codes, they go from 80 team members to unlimited team members. So with 8 codes you have an unlimited account with everything you need. So let's see how ClientVenue works. I'm here on my account. You're gonna switch between the buttons on the tab on the left, and here is where the magic happens. On the main dashboard, you have an welcome message with your service, revenue, and client. And you can also create a new task using the dashboard button. So press 1, you need to create a project. For that, okay, a project section and a due date. Let's go here to create a project first. I'm creating my test project, test description, and no teammates by now. Let's say that project is external. All right. Now I have my project, and on my project I can see my boards, a Kanban board, where I can add the tasks. The task you saw on the dashboard, you can create here. I think it's easier to create than Pluto. Okay, so I can create a draft task on the project task name test, and my due date today. So here is my task created inside my project. If I go here, I can see on my board my test. The Kanban is pretty easy to use. Okay, the user interface is pretty nice. You can add descriptions and links on your task. You see here. You can add also subtasks inside your task. And here you can add another description with another start date and due date, and also changing the collaborators. So here is the project management tool that's pretty like Ever Project Management, and it has the features that you need to manage your scheduling and your business tasks. Here you can create clients, client 1, tests, and you can assign an agent representative for that client. It would be me. And also you can set a password to that client, change that email. And I have a new client here created, so pretty easy. You can add it and change the settings of your client, and he will have access to the projects that you let them see. You can create service on the tool, PO service, SEO. You can add an image to your service. You can connect it to Stripe or others, and that service can be recurring or one time. And you can select also the billing interval to be if it will be yearly, monthly, etc. And here you're going to check how much it costs and if it has free trial days or not. Okay, here is using Stripe, and here is using another kind of payment gateway. Here is where you can add the teammates, and this spot here will be the main difference between the codes. For each code, you're gonna get 10 team members, and if you buy 8 codes, you get unlimited team members. Okay, so here you add the name and email and role, admin, manager, editor, or viewer, and you have a new teammate on your ClientVenue. And here is the invoice. You can use it connecting with Stripe or not. I'm not going to connect Stripe now, and I'm going to create an invoice for my client 1. I need to create a service first. I didn't create that. Let's create here really fast. My CO service, CO one time. I need to create here another because I didn't connect my Stripe account one time. Sorry. Now I created my service, my CO service that costs $40. $40. And here I'm going to create an invoice without Stripe. Other, my CO service, select due date, 7 days after invoice is sent, send invoice, and it's done. They sent the invoice to the clients. You can see the invoice here, how your clients will receive the invoice. And remember that on your account, you can white label it and add your logo, etc. Here's your setup. You can see that you can domain white label your ClientVenue, so you can use your own domain. Here you're going to change your logo on up left. Your email can be white label as well. I can do it now because I'm using a free account. Okay, to enable the white label, you need to have a paid plan as well. If you buy the AppSumo plan, you are good to go. And here is where you're gonna design your ClientVenue. So you're gonna have your own favicon, icon, logo, company name. You can change everything here. Also about you can change your username, etc., password, your plans. So remember, you're gonna get their enterprise monthly plan that costs more than $200 per month. You're gonna get it with 1 code. You're gonna get 10 team members. If you get more codes, more team members. You can also customize which kind of notification you're gonna receive and the permissions to each user. They have also an API key. So as you can see, it's a pretty useful client portal, having the standard features with a good user interface. So it's easy to understand, and it would be easier to your clients to get to know how to use it, as well as our team members. So if you don't have a client portal, ClientVenue could be an alternative for you. If you like that review, please click on the button on YouTube, the link. So you're gonna help me to keep going. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.